Everybody, I just had a little fall video to share with you. I'm still dressed for summer because it's warm out there. We have so many different pieces that you can see at our stores of our little boutique. We're going to expand on that also. Let me just show you a little something back here though. Come on back. The girls worked really hard. This is our one room and it's full of different Christmas pieces for you to see. Nikki, why don't you just show them around? There's a beautiful sofa, which is available. It is from England Furniture, nice chase. I don't know if anyone has room for this. I have a chase on my sofa, totally love it. And anyway, we just accented this neutral sofa with some buffalo plaid and some red pillows and our little snowman over there. But we're really prepared for Christmas this year. It is an unusual year for a lot of people. We work really hard here at Sacksteder's. It's 33 years we have been in the Christmas business. And what we try to do is to show you different things that are fun and exciting. Again, to add to the furniture that you already have and different ways to accent. And then the other thing that we're have this year, which last year we did also, which was a big deal for us, it's called Christmas tree decorating packages. And this is one that we have. I think it's Winter Wonderland. And so it's a 7.5 foot tree. And we have everything for you to decorate the tree with. We have videos for you to see. They're on our website. And then everything on this tree is $9.99. You can decorate it all the way around. If you're in a corner, kind of like how we are, you'll have plenty of product on the back side, and you could add it to your mantle or bookcases or make different things, whatever that you would like to do. It comes to you UPS, or you can pick it up at the store. Very simple. It's in 2 boxes, this is. And you can pack it all right back in there. That's the big thing with the holidays. Where do I go with everything? This is very easy. So we've done all the selections for you. So it's a professional design tree with great products. And next year, if you want to add red to it, gold tones, with a neutral tree, you can do anything that you would like. So then, you walk back in here, as Nikki will show you. We just brought in a small dining room table. Kind of kept everything a little lighter in this area. And we do these sleighs for different people. We'll do our own sleighs, or you can bring your sleigh in. Kids love that. Everybody loves a snowman, And but then at the end of the day, you better be good, because Santa, how many times have we all been told that? Santa's watching you, you better be good. So it's hard for us to find different Santa pictures, but I just think that one's affordable. I think it looks great, and it just sets the pace for your family, your grandchildren. So come out to Sacksteder's. I think you'll have a great time. This is the beginning of what we're offering for Christmas. So, if you maybe heard that things aren't out there available, come out here. We always have plenty. So look forward to seeing us at Christmas, and we'll see you here in the fall though right now. Merry Christmas.